So in this class, we are going to learn about how to know the temperature rating of the sprinkler system. What do we need to know? Temperature rating of the sprinkler. There are different colors, and from these colors, we can know that what is the temperature rating of this particular sprinkler head. So let's come back to here. What we need to do, we need to refer this standard IS 15105 2021. This is the date of revision. And in this, there are two kinds of sprinkler system. The first one is fusible link type, which is no more used nowadays, not used commonly. These are not being used commonly, but this glass bulb type is being used commonly, used more often. Okay, and you can see there are ratings beyond the color. This orange color is for 57 degrees centigrade. This red color is 68 degrees centigrade. This yellow color, which is maximum used in refineries and other bottling plants and other petroleum complexes, installations basically. Green is for 93. Blue color means 121 or 141. Mauve color means 182, and the black color is having the maximum temperature rating, and that is 204 or 260 degrees centigrade. So from the color, we can identify that which will activate when. Now, you can see on the above picture, there are various colors. This blue color, red color, this orange color, this green color. So we can know this orange color will activate at the fastest. You cannot remember all the ratings, but what you can remember, this 57 degrees centigrade for the orange, the smallest temperature rating. The second is 79 degrees centigrade, that is more commonly used nowadays, and the black one. These three you need to remember. The highest rating is for the black color, the lowest rating is for the orange color, and the most commonly used is the yellow color, that is 79 degrees centigrade. Only these three you can remember. Thank you.